Good evening, traders. Ulu of Forex here. So you are looking at gold on my chart, and I'll be breaking down the key levels for the week ahead. Let's get into it. So let's before we get started, let's check what happened last week. Let's check the last week review. Now on the 4 hours time frame, which is the time frame I'll be using for my review of last week. So now on the 4 hours time frame, what we can see is an inverted head and shoulder. Last week I saw an inverted head and shoulder on gold. So price broke above this neckline, then came back to retest. Price came back to retest this neckline, then bought massively from it. Price came back to retest the inverted head and shoulder neckline, then bought massively from it. So then let's just go straight to the week's review. What am I looking at for this week? Now, so on the daily time frame, what I see is an ascending triangle, which price is compressing with higher lows against the resistance. Let me show you the ascending triangle. This is the bullish ascending trend line, and then this is the resistance. Now, what I can see, what we can see now is that price has given us as a classic ascending triangle, which price is compressing with higher lows against the resistance. Most times, this kind of when we see this kind of thing on the chart, most times price breaks upward. So if we see a clean breakout and retest, I'll look for continuation buys. But if it fails, we get a quick sell off from the trend line break. Secondly, we can see I want us to look at this double bottom that was formed here. A double bottom was formed on this trend line. This is the first bottom, this is the second, and then price broke nicely above this neckline. Then so probability leans bullish because we're expecting if gold reacts to this resistance, then test this neckline, I expect it to buy. And if gold decides to break above this resistance, then retest this resistance turn support, I expect it to buy. So overall, the probability is bullish. But if gold reacts strongly from this resistance, I expect it to come and bounce off this trend line and then eventually break and create a new all-time high. So that's my roadmap for the week. Stay disciplined and execute with sniper precision. We'll go for signing out. See you next week.